Hello everyone, Johnny Hurricane here from GamerSerials.com, and today we're going to go over how to make fish sandwiches and crudites. I don't know I don't know what that word is. In Disney Dreamlight Valley. Let's get started. All right, so for the fish sandwiches, you will need fish, so you need to go fish, and you'll also need wheat. So if you don't have any, buy some from seeds from Goofy Stall, and then you can plant them anywhere really. I just have a little garden outside my house. From there, head inside. Go to your stove or wherever you got your cooking spot, and all you actually need to do is add a fish, add a wheat, voila, fish sandwiches. You don't need to do anything too fancy. Again, we're giving this to Mickey, so don't worry about it. And then for the crudites, or whatever the other item is, all you need is literally any one single vegetable. I use carrots because I have so many of them. You probably will as well. You can do tomatoes, you can do zucchini, probably do lettuce as well. I don't know. I just do one carrot. Do it over and over. You'll get the item that you need, which basically just looks like dip and carrots, veggie sticks. But hey, once you have all the items, speak to Mickey. He will bring you to the spot, and then, yeah, that'll be it. If you liked what you saw, got what you needed, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Later, Gators.